be lying about the purpose of the money sent to the deputy governor?
Actually, this is my life. That was my money. This was my lifetime savings. If my dad chooses to choose friendship over the truth, then let it be so.
Thank you. As
are you done with the witness? Because it's breaking down.
we can pause for just 30 seconds. I'm sure he can recollect himself.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly take care of the situation in the public gallery.
Can we proceed, Mr. Dennis? Kindly tell the honorable senators what is the current relationship you have with your parents as a result of this.
Actually, I don't have anything against my parents. The fact is that this was our lifetime savings with my family. We have built this, we had built this business for the last 13 years. Now, this was our opportunity to sell the business and get something that we could help the family. But we lost everything. After I lost everything, the parents at home became unsupportive. So we had to leave our home so that we can find somewhere where we can start all over again.
And how did that affect you as a couple, between you and your wife?
Just hold counsel. Senator Bondi, what is your intervention? And just to remind
Mr.
honorable
Speaker,
senators, you'll have an opportunity to engage the witness. So I hope whatever you want to raise has got nothing to do with seeking clarification or asking questions.
Mr. Speaker, purely on humanitarian grounds, I was requesting that you use standing order number 1 to allow the young witness probably 5, max 10 minutes for him to recompose himself. You can see, Mr. Speaker, sir, the witness is completely emotionally eroded.
From the council, the witness is doing pretty well. That's why they're proceeding. Otherwise, that application can only come from the council, not from you, Honorable Senator. Proceed, council.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I urge the witness to gather courage and proceed. Mr. Dennis.
Yes.
How has this ordeal affected your family life between you and your wife?
Initially, my wife was not in agreement that we sell our family business to relocate. So I had to persuade that she agrees with me. We shall get better after we secure that that job. So we agreed, we relocated to our home. So after we were disappointed, after we had not secure the opportunity, recruitment was done, people reported. So it was so stressful. My wife did not take it easy because he branded me a liar because now we have lost the family business. At that time, my wife was expecting. This was after 12 years of trial. My firstborn is 3 years old now. We had tried for all that period, but now she was expectant. Actually, during those hard times, my wife miscarried. Just miscarried our baby.
I can stop at that.
So the whole blame came back to me because initially she was not in agreement to sell the business. We got into much stress and depression. I had to look for a way to sort out this issue. We had to leave home. We had to look for elsewhere so that we can start over again, as I said.
Thank you. Yes. You have also made allegations against threat to your life. Kindly tell us how that is the case.
So after I knew appointments were done, and actually there's no job, there's no vacancy, our savings are all gone. So I actually, this one of my friend I've been following on social media, called, by that time it was 2020, I've been following him since 2020, 2022. Now he was now the elected MCA of Ichuni Ward. I actually approached him. I inquired if he could help for me to secure the money that I did what I gave to the deputy governor.
And that is the move of this motion?
Yes.
What did the move of the motion advise you to do after you brought this to his attention?
So when I reported this to him, he took it as a joke until I provided the documents. He requested for the M-Pesa statement showing the transaction. Actually, I did. Then he advised me to make a formal complaint so that he can follow up with the deputy governor for my refund. Actually, I knew he was doing it so that I can get my refund. I never knew he could just reach this far.
So it was not your intention for you to find yourself at the Senate?
Yes.
On the impeachment charges. Have you ever received your money back?
No.
Have you made any follow-ups in any government agency to recover your money?
So after I left home, I relocated to Nairobi, I made a complaint to EICC of the same.
Have EICC summoned anyone in respect to this issue?
After making the complaint, they summoned the CEO of Kisii Water.
Who is that?
Lucy Waita.
So Lucy was summoned by EICC?
Yes.
Pursuant to your complaint?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Mr. Speaker, sir, I think I want to stop at that and yield the witness to my learned friend for cross-examination. Thank you.
Counsel for the Deputy Governor, it's your turn now.